Hello dear students, today I will discuss the last part of Unit 9 haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this part, I will discuss about chemical properties of haloarene or aryl halides. So look at here two chemical property. You have to know that one electrophilic substitution reaction that is known as ESR, okay, and second nucleophilic substitution reaction NSR. So this is common reaction of aromatic compound, okay. Here you have to learn basically about the haloalkanes are ortho and para director. So here you have to know about the how you can say that this is ortho para director. This reactions occurs in drastic condition. This reaction occurs, okay. So the most common reactions which we have to know for examination point of view, that is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the common reactions of the aromatic compound, and this reaction occurs in drastic conditions, that means harsh conditions. That means if you apply the conditions, so then this type of reactions may be take place. Otherwise, normally this type of reaction do not take place. So here you have to know that why this type of reaction do not take place easily. You have to give some conditions to apply the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let us focus on first of all electrophilic substitution reaction. So first of all focus on electrophilic substitution reaction. So now how can you so say that haloarene are basically ortho para director. So look at here X, this contains 3 lone pair, okay. Now this lone pair donate to this bond, and now this bond break like this. This I told you in general concept of organic chemistry. How you know that the attached group behave as ortho para directors or meta directors. So look at here, the attached group is X, this contains lone pair of electrons, and that's why this lone pair electrons can be given to the benzene rings, and hence what happens, now this get the double bonded, and now the negative charge containing at ortho position. Here look the conditions, 2 lone pairs are left and 1 positive charge is there, okay. So now what happens, this carbon is basically known as ortho position. Now what happens then, this electron move to this bond, and then this bond move to this carbon. Now think about that, the negative charge move to this carbon, and this carbon is basically para position. So that's why it can increase the electron density at ortho and para position, and hence this is ortho para director. So by this way you can know that how the haloarenes containing halide groups behave as ortho para director. So this way, now again what happens here, now this negative charge move to this bond, and now this bond move to this carbon, and then what will be happen here, double bond X, positive charge, 2 lone pair, again double bond and negative charge. Now this is the para position, this is again ortho position. So now look at here, negative charge, that means more electron density only at ortho and para position. So that's why halogenes behave as ortho para directed. Now lastly what happened? The negative charge move to this bond, and now this bond move to this halide ions. In that conditions what happen now? Double bonds are removed, X again get the 3 lone pair. Now the shifting of bond take place. So by this way you can say that the haloarenes are ortho para directed because this group increase the electron density only at ortho and para position. So that's why the electrophilic substitution take place at ortho and para position. So now look at the focus here. How many type of reactions you have to know in case of electrophilic substitution reaction? So first reactions you have to know halogenation. These are 5 common reactions which you have to know for halogenes, also for phenol, also for aldehyde ketones, and also for carboxylic acid, and also for amines. So look at here halogenations. So here we are taking the example of chlorobenzene. So this is chlorobenzene. Now what happens? This react with Cl2 in presence of AlCl3 and hydrous AlCl3. So this is basically behave as electrophile, it behave as here catalyst having the electron deficient center. So basically what happens here? Cl bond are basically this bond move to here, and now this will generate plus charge. So that's why this will gives Cl positive charge and plus AlCl4 minus. Okay. So here the electrophile is Cl plus. That means X plus is electrophile. So this is electrophile. Now I just told you this is the ortho para directors. So that's why Cl either attack to the ortho position or para position. So this will give 2 product. One Cl you can attach to the ortho position, and one Cl you can attach to the para position. Okay, by removing our Cl. So now this is the ortho dichlorobenzene and this is the para dichlorobenzene. So now this is the major product and this is minor product. So one question may be rises, why it is major product, it is minor product. So look about the electron density. Here Cl having lone pair, this also having lone pair, to come closer to each other. So that's why more repulsion take place. Here less repulsion, that's why more stable. So hence major product is from basically para dichlorobenzene, or you can say 1,2. This is 1,2 dichlorobenzene and this is 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Now second reactions which you have to know, that nitration. So next second reactions, nitration. Here concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4, these are known as nitrating mixture, and this will generate NO2. So here electrophile is NO2 plus. So this is electrophile. So now look the reactions. What happened here? Cl when react with nitrating mixture, concentrate H2SO4. So now you will have to add NO2 at ortho position one time and one time at para position. So now you have to add Cl one time at ortho position and one time at para position. This I told you why this happened, due to more electron density at ortho and para position. So this is 1 chloro, okay, or you can say 2 nitrochlorobenzene and this is 4 nitrochlorobenzene. Here again this is major and this is minor due to electronic repulsion. Now third point, that is you have to know that sulfonation. So third is sulfonation. So these reactions, that is nitration, halogenation, you have to learn also in alcohol phenol ether chapter, aldehyde ketone acid, and also in amine. So look at here. Third, common reactions of electrophilic substitution, sulfonation. Sulfonation. So look at here about the sulfonation. A chlorobenzene in presence of concentrate H2SO4 heated, concentrate H2SO4 heated. In that condition what happens? It will give SO3H at ortho position. Here electrophile is SO3 is electrophile here. The electrophile SO3, here SO3H you have to add at ortho position, and one time you have to add SO3H at para position. So this is basically the compound of benzene sulfonic acid, 1 2. So this is 2-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid, and this is 4-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid. Here again this is major product and this is minor product. Okay, so in sulfonation you have to add SO3H either at ortho position or para position. Okay, now next most important reactions also, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So next reaction is, fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts. It is two scientists, Friedel and Crafts reaction. This is basically two types. One alkylation, that means addition of alkyl, that is carbocations, alkylation. And second, you have to know about acylation. Here acyl group should be added and here alkyl carbocations should be added. So now first you have to know that Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now look at here again, chlorobenzene. This I told you, ortho-para director. It will react with CS3Cl, that is methyl chlorides in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, or you can also take in FeCl3. So now this bond break here. Now this will get positive charge. So here carbocation is electrophile. Carbocation is electrophile. So that's why what happens? You will get one more substitution either at para position or ortho position. So look at here. This also gives two type of product. One is at para position, one at ortho position. So this is again major and this is again minor. So this is about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now next, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So about this you can also write the name, 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene, 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Now second reaction in Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So look at here, what happened here? Acyl group is here electrophile. So here you can either take CS3, C double bond O, Cl, either you can take CS3, C double bond O, either you can take CS3, C double bond O, CS3, C double bond O. So this is known as basically 1,2 carbon. So this is known as ethanoyl chloride, or you can say acetyl chloride. acetyl chloride, and this is known as acetic anhydride. So now look the conditions. This bond will break and this will get positive charge. Here this bond will break and this get positive charge. So here what happened? CH3 C double bond O positive charge is electrophile. So that's why this carbon attached to the benzene ring either at ortho position or para position. Now again same conditions, anhydrous AlCl3 are taken. So now this will give two products, one at ortho substitution and one at para substitution, Cl C double bond O and CH3. So this is known as 2-chloroacetophenone, and this is known as 4-chloroacetophenone. Again here this is minor product and this is major product. Okay. So these are the common reactions of electrophilic substitution which you have to know. Here you have to focus the electrophilic substitution reactions, basically 5 types: halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So one more question may be rises, out of chlorobenzene and toluene, which is more reactive for electrophilic substitution reaction? So look one answer here. So first of all you have to focus on the structure. So this is chlorobenzene and this is toluene. So this is toluene and this is chlorobenzene. Now one thing I told you, in case of chlorobenzene what happens? Here due to lone pair it will donate the electrons. So that's why this is ortho para director. So this is ortho and para director due to resonance. So that means the reactions occurs at ortho and para position, but I want one thing I also told you that in this case minus R is more than plus R. So that's why minus R decreases reactivity. So that's why chlorobenzene is less reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Look the condition here. Here one to plus I effect and also you can say plus R effect. In both the condition this is ortho and para director, and also increase the reactivity. It increases reactivity due to donation of more electrons. So that's why here more electron density, here less electron density. Okay dear students. So that's why less the electron density, less will be the reactivity for electrophilic substitution. So that's why chlorobenzene is less reactive than this. So one question may be right this type. So you have to write the answer in term of, that is minus I will decide the reactivity of chlorobenzene. So that's why minus I take the that is minus I effect of Cl, withdraw the electron from the ring. That's why electron density decreases and hence electrophilic substitution reaction become difficult. Okay. So one more question may be rises, how can you say that chlorobenzene is, this is basically ortho para director oriented. That means it orient the incoming group at ortho and para position but less reactive. So by the reactivity you have to focus on the minus I effect, but for orientation you have to focus on the resonance. So due to resonance it is ortho para director, but due to minus I effect it is less reactive. So one question may be raised, although chlorine is electron withdrawing group, yet it is ortho para directing in electrophilic substitution reaction. So this is due to resonance. They can donate electrons at ortho and para position, So that's why it is ortho-para director. Now let us focus on the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why it is not possible? So nucleophilic substitution reaction. So think about the region. You have to notice down that aryl halide do not give nucleophilic substitution reaction due to region. So first region is resonance. Second region is basically shortening of bond length, shortening of CX bond length, and third region is instability of phenylcation. So due to these three regions, haloarine do not gives nucleophilic substitution reactions as alkyl halide gives. So now let us focus the first region. So one question may be arises, why the aryl halide do not give the nucleophilic substitution reaction but alkyl halide can give. So look the conditions. First of all, you have to focus on the resonance. So let us focus here. Now think about this, about the resonance. So Cl, I told you just donate electron to this carbon bond, carbon and halogen bond, and now this bond shift to this carbon. So now what happened basically? This will generate double bond character. This will generate double bond character. So look at here, this will generate double bond character, okay, and due to resonance. Any doubt here? So due to resonance, they have double bond characters, and that's why it is difficult to break, okay, and hence it do not give the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So due to double bond break characters, due to resonance, difficult to break CCl bond, and hence it will not give the nucleophilic substitution reaction very easily, okay. So this is the first answer of this question, why this do not give the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now second point, let us the focus about the shortening of bond length. So look at here, about the bond length in case of CH3Cl and in case of this haloarine. Look at here, this carbon is sp3 carbon and this carbon is sp2 carbon. This I told you. Here this have 25% S character and this have 33.3% S character, okay. So now more the S character, more will be the electronegativity. So it is more electronegative. So that's why this can be shifted the bond, and hence the bond length of this carbon is nearly 169 picometer, and the bond length of this carbon Cl is 177 picometer. So that's why less the bond length, less will be the less the bond length, more will be the difficult to break the bond. So that's why this bond can break very easily with respect to this. So this is the second reason why the nucleophilic substitution reaction is difficult, okay. So this is shorter bond length, longer bond length. So shorter the bond length, more will be the difficult the break of bond. Now next point, you have to notice down that about the formation of cation. So look at here, if we break the bond, so now what do you get? Positive charge in this carbon and this positive charge is delocalized. This positive charge is localized. So first of all this is localized, and now this carbon is basically sp carbon, and sp carbon means more electronegative carbon. So more electronegative carbon have positive charge, so that's why this carbon having the positive charge delocalized. So this is basically known as phenyl carbocation. So due to instability of this will also not give the SN1 reactions. Okay, the nucleophilic substitution do not given by the haloarine. Basically this is due to 3 reasons. Now but on drastic condition it will give the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this I also told you in haloalkane chapter. So now look at here, what are the drastic conditions? Cl when react with NaOH basically 6 to 8% in presence of 623 Kelvin Kelvin temperature and 300 atm pressure, and secondly it will be catalyzed by acid. So now what happen here, this will gives phenol. Okay, so these are the drastic condition. Okay, in this condition look at here, how many pressure are given, 300 atm, that is 300 times more than applied on us. So that's why more will be the pressure. In that condition this reaction will be occurs. Okay, now one more thing, if we want to reduce the pressure and temperature, so we have to introduce electron withdrawing group at ortho and meta position. So next focus that in the presence of electron withdrawing group. Okay, what happen here, look the conditions, due to presence of electron withdrawing group that is NO2 group, COOH group, SO3H group, basically nucleophilic substitution reaction will be Eg. Okay, and basically you have to substitute this group at ortho and para position. So now look the conditions, what happens by introduction of electron withdrawing group. So look the conditions here again. Now this chlorobenzenes are react with NaOH, okay, when introduce NO2 at para position, and now this will take less temperature. Secondly this will gives react with the H plus. Now your answer is para nitrophenol. So this is para nitrophenol. So look the conditions, you know that electrons are moved to the ortho and para position, as the para position contains negative charge. So this is have minus I and minus R effect. So that's why it decreases the electron density, and that's why it can make this easy for nucleophilic substitution. Now one more introduction can take place. In that conditions what happens, in second step if you introduce one more NO2 at ortho position, in that condition it will be take less temperature 368 Kelvin. Now this will gives 2,4. So this is 2,4 dinitrophenol. Okay, one more thing happen, if we introduce NO2 or electron withdrawing group at all ortho and para position, in this condition only you can warm with water. That means only you can take in the warm water. Here you will take warm water. Okay, when you have introduced NO2 group, electron withdrawing group at ortho and para all position. So now this will gives reaction very easily, and this is known as 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, now students, this is also known as picric acid, and this is explosive. Okay, so by this way you can get the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So these are all about chapter, that is unit 9, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So here I will make 8 part, that means this chapter finished in 8 part. So you have to focus on all these part to learn and understand the concept of organic chemistry in this chapter. Thank you, dear students.